Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video we are going to share you another great project named Satoshi Dog and the website link is satoshidog.com. As you know guys, there have been many scam projects daily come in the market. They come and scam very fast without paying our investment back. But this Satoshi Dogs is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable to you in the future. But you guys know you have to invest at your own risk only, not a financial advisor. So when you open the site satoshidog.com, you can see here home page, their mission, challenges and how to buy. Here you can see the white paper and Satoshi Dogs to the rescue, and you can see this all. Let's see the full details about the Satoshi Dog. Satoshi Dog is here to help to save animals, specifically dogs and cats of all species around the world. Each year, approximately 1.5 million of dogs and cat shelters animals are euthanized due to lack of funding and support from their communities and government. Our hearts are broken due to this cruel injustice, and therefore they had decided to make an instrumental difference by creating Satoshi Dog. They will be donating 1% of the transaction to various animal shelters around the world. The holders of their token will receive a 1% reward per transaction, and there will be 1% burn per transaction, assuring a strong and vibrant future of Satoshi Dog. Here you can see the challenges. They are aware that most animal shelters around the world do not accept cryptocurrencies as far from form of payment or donation because they do not know how. Our mission at Satoshi Dog is to make it easy and seamless for the animal shelters of the world to accept cryptocurrencies, therefore assuring the safety and well-being of the animal. Satoshi Dog is determined and excited to create an amazing new wallet which will allow the shelters of the world to accept cryptocurrencies as form of donation easily transferable into fiat instantly, so they can properly perform their mission and save the animals. Here they had provided how you can buy this token. Satoshi Dog is based on the Ethereum blockchain and is easily purchased through your MetaMask or Trust wallet via Uniswap. Here transfer Ethereum to your chosen wallet, and here you to go to Uniswap, then you can simply swap from Uniswap, and slippage at least 5% you have to put. Let's see the roadmap of this token. Here you can see phase 1 project launch deploying smart contract. Phase 2 is there apply for token listing on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, and here exchange listing. Phase 3 you can see creating Satoshi Dog wallet partnership. In phase 4 you can see diversification into real world use case. Here is the white paper of this token. It is of 5 pages, so you can read the white paper. You will get most of the information of the site from this white paper. Here you can find the introduction, mission and all this, and here you can see the tokenomics of this token. Here token name Satoshi Dog, symbol is STD, platform is Ethereum, type is ERC20, and total supply you can see here. And when you go down you can simply see the token burn is 1%, donation is 1%, back to holders it was 1%. Here you will find the roadmap of this token, and here all this. Here you can simply buy it from Ethereum to STD on Uniswap. Here is the DEX tools like price. Here you can see here you can see total liquidity, daily volume, pool WETH, pool STD, total tax. You can see holders are 965, market capital is 6,32k dollars. Here you can simply see the chart. Here you can find the transactions. So if you like this token, you will get all the links of buying in the description, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.